Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, we are going to review Bit integration. It's a new lifetime deal on AppSumo. As of now, I am recording this video, and it's a basically integration tool. These integrations will work inside your WordPress website. So the difference between other integration tool and this integration tool is you can run this integration tool inside your WordPress website. So some of the use case of Bit integration are: suppose after a user submit a contact form, data can be sent to a Google Sheet, CRM, or email campaigning software that you use. Again, there can be after an order is created in your WooCommerce or a user enrolls in a course, then data can be sent to another plugin or to other software. So these types of integration you can do, and see there have lots of integration. You can run all these integrations, or you can create all these integrations inside your WordPress dashboard or your WordPress website. So this is the cool thing here, and they are offering you almost 65 plus integration, and more integrations will be added later. So these are the things guys, and as you can see, this is their pricing on lifetime deal, and here is the feature list what you can get. On 49 USD you can get up to 5 sites, 65 plus integrations, and it will increase later. After that, there have sent data from WordPress to other software. There have a lots of software, unlimited active integration, no data send limit, unlimited task, conditional logic, incoming and outgoing webhook. And if you stack more code, then in 2 codes you will get up to 50 sites, in 3 code you will get up to 100 sites, and in 4 codes you will get unlimited sites. And you can get at least 10% discount on all this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. Now without further doing, let's explore what have inside the dashboard of Bit integration and how it works. This is the dashboard of Bit integration guys. After login you will get a dashboard like this, and here see this is the Bit integration that I have. Just click here Bit integration, and from here you have to download the plugin. Just download the plugin, or you can download the free version also, but I will download the pro version. Download your plugin just by clicking here. So it's been downloaded guys, see. Now go to the backend of your WordPress website and go to the plugin section. After downloading the plugin, just go to the backend of your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section. From here click on add new and add your plugin here. Here click on upload plugin and then choose your file. Click on install now. After that, from here click on activate the plugin. So your plugin has been installed guys. See, this is Bit Integrations Pro. From here you will get now a new option, Bit Integrations Pro. Just click on here, and from here go to the license section. At first you have to activate the license. Here you will get a field to insert your license. Just go to the Bit integration platform and copy your license from here, and then paste your license here. After that, click on submit. So license activated successfully. After that, there have option named Bit Integration Pro. Just click here Bit Integration Pro. Now we will show you how you can integrate things with Bit integration and what you can do actually. So there have integration option and there have setting option. If I click on the setting option, there have erase all data of this plugin in deletion. So you can erase these things, or specify after how many days old log will be deleted. You can specify these things also. But the most important thing is this integration section. Just go to this integration section, and from here click on create integration. See, these are the things that have here. For trigger, there have DV, user registration, Ninja form, Kali form, Amelia, Fluent CRM, Contact Form 7. Then there have E form, WP funnel, WP form, WP code share, MB front end, submission, WooCommerce. Then Everest form, Webhook, Elementor, Piotnet form, Beaver Builder, Bricks, Gravity form, Jet form, Studio Card. There have Forminator, Formidable, Tutorial MS, WS form, Happy form, and Fluent form also. So these are the tools, or these are the features that and they are offering right now for triggering. Suppose I will use contact form 7. There I have a page. See, this is the page. Here I have used contact form 7. Now I want to get all the data that people will insert here on my CRM or on my email marketing tool. So to do this, at first I'll select contact form 7. You should select whatever you need, which software you use. In my case, I use contact form 7, so I'll select here contact form 7. After selecting it, now you have to select the form, because using contact form 7 I can create a lot of form. So from here I have to select which form I want to use. Let it be load, please. From here select your form or task. So this is the form that I have created for this video for bit integrations, and this form is basically this form, guys. So I'm selecting this form here and then next. Now these are the integrations. That means whenever people will submit data or lead on your form, then what you want to do, where you want to send them. You can send them on ActiveCampaign and apps, Autonomy, Dropbox, Elastic Email, InCharge, Fluent CRM, Freshdesk, GetGist, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Sheet, HubSpot, Integrately, Integromat, Keep, Mail. So you can mail them. MailChimp, MailPoet, Mautic, OneDrive. You can connect with Public Connect, Pods, Post Creation, Rapid Mail, Registration, Sendinblue, Sandy, Slack, Telegram, Trello, TutorLMS, WP Course, Hire. Then there have Webhook, Wishlist, WooCommerce, JPR, Zoho, and there have a lot of integrations with Zoho. See. So in my case, I want to send them on Sendinblue because I use Sendinblue. So I want to send them on Sendinblue. And the cool thing is you can send anywhere you want. Suppose you want to send to ActiveCampaign, just select it here, and here give your integration name, your access API URL from ActiveCampaign, your access API key from ActiveCampaign. Just submit it and then authorize it. Or if you want to connect with Google Calendar or Google Drive or Google Sheet, just select it. Then there has all the instruction. Click here and you will get complete instruction. Also they have a full documentation how you can set up these things. This is the link. I will give the link of this documentation in the description of this video. Here they have explained how you can integrate with ActiveCampaign, with Autonomy, with Dropbox, with Elastic Email, with InCharge. So these all things they have step by step they have explained here. So you can go through this and you can integrate with your expected software. So these are the things, guys. I will give the link of these docs in the description of this video. So these are the things. In my case, now I want to connect with Sendinblue. So I will connect it with Sendinblue now. So I'm selecting here Sendinblue. In your case, you should select the software or the tool you want to connect. I'm selecting here Sendinblue. Now here I have to give a name of my integration. Suppose the name is Sendinblue, and here I have to insert the API key. Now how to insert the API key? If you know how to insert the API key, then it's fine. But if you don't know, then there have the complete instruction. You can go through this instruction and then you can get the API key. Then just paste the API key here and then authorize it. So I'm selecting this link and I'm opening this link. See, from here I have to create the API key. Just click on create a new API key and give the name of your API key. Suppose I'm giving the name Bit Integration, and then click on generate. So this is my API key. I have to copy this API key and then I have to go to the dashboard of Bit Integration. Here I have to insert the API key. Now if I click on authorize, let me see what happened. So it's authorized. See, now I have to click on next. From here I have to select the list. That means on which list I want to send the lead. Suppose this is one of the lists that I have created on Sendinblue. So I'm selecting this list here. After that, select the field. Suppose your email, I want to send them on this email field. After that, there have first name, your first name, select it, and then first name. And let me check what have more. I have last name and subject. Suppose I want to collect their last name also, just select from here last name and select it on last name. So these are the things. And there have option update send in blue, so update responses with send in blue existing email, so you can update if you want. And you can also add here conditional logic. See, there have if logic, or logic, and logic, or group and group. These all things there have, you can select, or you can use these types of logic here also if you need, or if you think you need to use. In my case, I will not use it. So these are the things. After that, click on next, and from here click on finish and save. See, our integration has been created. This is the integration I'm saying, it has been created. You can on or off the integration now from here. And there have option from here, you can get the info, you can get the timeline, you can edit the integration, you can clone the integration, or you can delete the integration. Now we will check how it works. Now for test purpose, I will insert my data here. So guys, I have inserted my first name, last name, and my email, my subject and message here. Now I will click on submit. Let me check how it works. So I have submitted, guys, these things. See, there have thank you for message. It has been sent. Now I will go to send in blue and I will check how it works. This is my send in blue dashboard, and from here I will go to contact, and I will check whether the contact is available here. See, this is the last name is nothing, first name, and this is the last changed, last added, and this is the email. So guys, see, this lead, actually this lead I have sent through contact form 7, and this lead has been stored on this send in blue. So it's cool thing, guys. In this way you can integrate your internal WordPress things with external software using bit integration basically. So these are the things, guys, on bit integration. They have a lots of other integrations. See, if I walk through again, there have a lots of integrations. See, and if I select one thing from here, and now you can integrate with another things. See, there have a lots of other softwares, and they will add more software in future. And if I go to their Facebook group, if I check it, there have a Facebook group. Here is the link of their Facebook group. See, here is the link of their Facebook group, and this is basically their Facebook group. It's a big community, so the company is very stable, I think. And there have almost 1.2k members, and the group is very active. As you can see, you can join on this group if you want to join. So these are the things, guys. If you think you need these types of tool, or you need a internal integration tool for your WordPress site, then you can get this tool only at 49 USD, but you can get 10% discount on this pricing also. So if you think you need this tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this tool from AppSumo for lifetime. I'll give the link of this amazing tool in the description of this video. Just go to the description and get the 10% discount link. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please use this link to purchase this amazing deal. And visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business, and join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group from the description of this video. I'll give the link of this VIP lifetime deal discussion group in the description of this video. If you wish to join here, you can join here for free. And if you haven't subscribed YouTube channel, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. It will help me a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video.